Yes, it's your boy Roy Lawrence, aka Freebie. This is actually the hideout of where every great thing happens. Ladies and gentlemen, you all heard him every time or hear his name in every fantastic song. Every song, one way or the other, that's become a hit. Ladies and gentlemen, I give you D-Tunes again. How you doing, boss?
I'm doing great.
Wow. Tell us what you're doing.
I'm making a hit song for Elvis Grip. Bad man.
I like that.
Hey, where you gonna go right now? You gonna go right?
I need a piece.
They call him Elvis Grip.
Yeah. It's D-Tunes again. It's busting my brain. See, they call me Elvis Grip.